Hello, kindergarten students. It's Miss Allen. All right, so we are on Chapter 2 for our math lesson today, and this is lesson number 11, and it starts on page 157. The first thing we're going to do is watch a movie. All right, boys and girls, today's lesson is called Ordinal Numbers to 10th. Our essential question is, what do numbers tell me? Oops, pull this down. All right, so we have some bears who are lining up to get on the boat. Look how nicely they're standing in line. Some of them are looking right at us. All right, so here's the directions. We're going to point to the first bear to get on the boat. So go ahead and point to that first bear on your book. We're going to draw a line above that bear. So I'm going to get out my writing tool, and you can use your writing tool. We are going to draw one line above the very first bear. So right here, we have a line above the bear. Next, we're going to draw a line, we're going to draw an X on the second and 10th bears. So if you can find the first one, then you know the next one is called second. So we're going to draw an X on the second one. And then we have to find the 10th one. 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th. And our 10th bear is the very last bear that is in line. Then we're going to draw a circle around the 4th and 7th bears in line. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4. This one will be the 4th one. And then we have to find the 7th one, 5th, 6th, 7th. This little bear is looking out at those fish. All right, great job. I think we've finished everything for this page. All right, now we have koalas who are walking out on a branch. Looks like they're ready to go and eat the leaves on that tree. So the directions say for number 1, we're going to trace the line under the first koala near the tip of the branch. So we call the tip of the branch the end of the branch, the one that's closest to those leaves there. So we are going to draw a line, and they've already put one there for you, but you're just going to go ahead and draw on that dotted line. We're going to call this one the first. Okay, so now it says trace the X on the 10th koala. So our last one over here next to the inside of the branch is called the 10th. And then it says put a box around the 7th koala. So they've already done that. They found the 7th, so they want you to put a box around that koala. All right, we're ready to go to problem number 2. Okay, it looks like we have a raccoon dilemma here. All of these raccoons are trying to get into the garbage. All right, the directions say to draw a box around the first raccoon on the can. So we're going to get out our writing tools, and a box is simply around this first one. He is getting into the garbage can. All right, then it says, draw an X on the 6th raccoon. So if this is the first, we have to count all the way to the 6th one. 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, and 6th. So we're going to put an X on this raccoon. And now the last direction says, draw a line under the 4th raccoon. So we have to go back and count 1st, 2nd, 3rd, and 4th. So we're going to put a line right under this raccoon right here. Okay, we're ready for the next problem. All right, since this is on your own, I'm going to read the directions to you, and I hope you can do it all by yourself. I think you can since we've been practicing this. All right, so number 3, we've got a bunch of horses lined up, and one of them is very close to the barn. So it's asking us to draw an X on the 7th horse from the barn. So you know what to do, right? Count 7 horses from the first one next to the barn. Say 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, and 7th. And you're going to put an X on that horse. Then we're going to draw a circle around the 3rd horse. So go back to that first horse and count 1st, 2nd, 3rd horse. And you're going to be putting a circle around the 3rd horse. And then it says to draw a line under the 1st horse. So that's pretty easy because that's the first horse next to the barn. All right, ready for number 4. Okay, we have a mouse problem here. The mice are trying to get up on that table to get the cheese. So this is on your own again, and I'm going to read the directions for you. We're on number 4. Draw an X on the 2nd mouse from the cheese. So you see that little mouse that's right next to the cheese? We call him the first. So draw a line. I'm sorry, not a line. Let me read this again. Draw an X on the 2nd mouse. So yes, you're going to put an X on the 2nd mouse. Then, after you do that, you're going to draw a circle around the 6th mouse. So find the one in order that is the 6th one from the beginning. The mouse that's over next to the cheese is your beginning. Then, we're going to draw a line under the 10th mouse. So you have to count all the way to 10, count your mice, and then put a line under the 10th mouse. All right, I'll see you at the back page for our problem solving. All right, we've got a lot of orangutans. We've got a couple of adult orangutans and then lots of baby ones. Let's read the directions. Okay, so on number 5, it says they want us to draw an X on the 6th baby orangutan climbing up to the mother. So notice this number 5, and I'm going to get out my writing tool with you so that you can see this. All right, so this is number 5 right here. We're working only on this one, all right? And it wants us to get an X on the 6th baby climbing up to the mama. So we're going to say he's 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th. So this one right here is called the 6th baby climbing up. Okay, now it's asking us to draw a circle around the 10th baby orangutan climbing up. So this is 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th. We're going to put a circle around the one that's right up next to its mommy. I think it's trying to get the bananas. Maybe mom is going to feed it. Now, we want to draw a box on the 2nd baby orangutan climbing up. So this is 1st, this is going to be 2nd. So your box is going to be right here. Now we're on number 6. So this one right here is the babies that are climbing down from the tree. All right, so they want us to draw an X on the 10th baby orangutan climbing down to the father. So this guy down here is the father. Which one is 10th in line to get down to the father? So this is 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, and 10th. And they want you to put an X on that one. So this one is 10th in line. Then we're going to draw a box around the 8th baby orangutan climbing down. So if this is 10th, I can actually go backwards, 9, 8. And so now I'm going to put a box around this little baby right here. Now the last thing they want us to do is draw a circle around the third baby orangutan climbing down. So here's first, second, third. Okay. All right. I think we're all finished for today. All right. Great job, boys and girls. Thanks for joining Miss Allen for math.